everyone, thank you for joining us for our STEM challenge. Today we are making a balloon rocket. We are going to use a balloon scissor, strings, some tape, straws, and a clip. First take the straw and cut it so that the bended side is cut. Now you need to plan where you will fly your rocket. It can be between two poles or two chairs or two walls. Cut the string according to the length you need, approximately 10 feet apart. The next step is to thread the string through the straw, just like this. Now you can tape down or tie down two ends of the string. Now blow up the balloon and use the clip to close the end of the balloon. Now take a piece of tape and put it on the straw and the balloon just like this. When you're ready to blast off, just remove the clip. Here we go. Let's do this one more time.